A team of researchers from Stanford University has found a unique way to mine Bitcoin that could have a massive impact on the perceptions of the cryptocurrency. According to its website, PiNetwork was designed in part to make the process of mining Bitcoin significantly less energy-intensive. Cryptocurrency mining is a controversial practice in part because it remains largely unregulated. It uses massive amounts of power that frequently comes from dirty energy sources, such as gas and coal, as well as massive amounts of water to help keep its server banks cool and functional. PiNetwork hopes to be different. It uses a mobile app, drawing on the relatively small computing power of cell phones and tablets to collectively mine for cryptocurrency. It touts itself as a fairer, more distributed crypto network, allowing you to mine Pi tokens for free from your phone. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have reputations as massive drains on resources, as well as means by which shady characters can conduct less than legal business. A recent report unveiled several crypto mining operations in gray zones around Russian territory, using massive amounts of dirty energy and funneling funds back to illicit activities and war profiteering. Illegal crypto mining has been accused of causing rolling blackouts in Iran, and an Iowa county recently tabled discussions of building a new mining facility over concerns about pollution and noise. PiNetwork removes many of the environmental concerns, using less energy and generating no noise. Concerns remain about security as the app is scaled up, but the company is optimistic they can be addressed. In order to ensure fairness in Pi mining, secure the Pi blockchain, maintain integrity in the Pi ecosystem, and eventually create and safeguard the community-run governance, it is essential to empower real people around the world and disempower malicious actors, bots, or free riders, the company's website says. All in all, PiNetwork is a unique approach to solving a massive problem that has faced the cryptocurrency industry since its inception, and it could be a game changer. The network emphasizes inclusivity and accessibility, allowing individuals worldwide to participate without the need for specialized equipment. By utilizing a mobile app, PiNetwork aims to democratize access to cryptocurrency, empowering real people to engage in the digital economy. However, it's important to note that PiNetwork has faced criticism and skepticism. Concerns have been raised about the actual value of Pi coins, the legitimacy of the project, and potential data privacy issues. Some critics argue that the project's structure resembles a multi-level marketing scheme and question its long-term viability. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.